What is right breathing? Yogic deep breathing is right breathing. This is also called abdominal breathing or belly breathing. Namaste everyone. I am Beena. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Yoga for Health, Happiness and Harmony, wherein I would like to share with you some health tips and yoga. I have been practicing yoga for the last 10 years and I have got my training done from Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. Today I am going to demonstrate yogic deep breathing. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and without any further delay, let's get started. In today's modern world, we often forget to breathe fully and completely. Yogic deep breathing is a slow, deep and rhythmic breathing which protects us from most of the ailments. It is a three-part breathing which involves stomach, diaphragm and chest. Nowadays we do only chest breathing. Yogic deep breathing is the foundation of most of the yogic practices. It calms down our mind and prepares us for yogic practices and meditation. Our body is made up of trillions of cells. Each cell is a minute and primary living creation which performs each and every function of our human body. It needs oxygen for its survival. Regeneration of cells is a continuous process. By deep breathing, blood circulation improves and it carries oxygen to each and every cell of the body. Thus, it maintains the health of the cells for a longer period. And if we breathe very fast, the cells won't get enough oxygen and it may die prematurely. So, yogic deep breathing is very important for the overall health of our body. A tortoise takes 3 to 4 breaths per minute and it lives for more than 150 years, whereas a dog takes almost 35 to 40 breaths per minute and it lives only for 10 to 13 years. So now we understand what is the importance of yogic deep breathing in our longevity. Now let me demonstrate yogic deep breathing. Sit in any comfortable position, spine straight, shoulder, neck and head little tilted up backwards, and the shoulder blades should come closer to each other but without strain. Keep one hand on your stomach. This is just to show you the expansion and contraction of the stomach. Happiness from within. This will show on your face also. Eyes gently closed. Inhale fully and completely. Expand your stomach, then your chest, then inhale up to your neck. Now the shoulder will be lifted a little back upwards. Exhale, relax your shoulder, chest and stomach. Stomach should be contracted so that it touches the spine. This is one round of yogic deep breathing. Now continue inhale and exhale. Inhalation and exhalation always should be in equal intervals and in rhythm. I will show yogic deep breathing once again. Inhale, expand your stomach, rib cage and chest up to the neck, and then exhale slowly. Relax your shoulder, chest and abdomen. Like this. This should be a habit throughout your life. Always, whenever you are breathing, breathe fully and completely. Imagine yogic deep breathing as filling a bottle with water. First, the bottle will be filled from the bottom, then to the center and up to the neck. And when we empty it, it empties from the neck towards the bottom. So, we have to inhale and exhale in the same manner. Inhale, then exhale. Same is the case with inhalation and exhalation. Always breathe through your nose. It filters and humidifies the air. Breathe through your mouth only if you have any respiratory problem. Otherwise, always breathe through your nose. During this corona period, whenever you feel breathless, just inhale, expand your chest, take your hands to both sides of your chest so that the shoulder blades come closer to each other but without strain. Now exhale, take your hands closer to each other but maintain the posture. Continue as per your convenience, like this. Inhale, exhale, like this. Now again, when you climb the stairs, if you feel breathless, what you can do is do rhythmic breathing. Climb 2 stairs while inhaling, then climb next 2 stairs exhaling, like that. According to your convenience, inhale and exhale rhythmically. You won't feel tired. Your posture also plays an important role. Always stand straight. Your spine should be always erect with shoulder, neck and head tilted a little backwards. Never bend forward. If your posture is correct, your lungs and heart will be able to function to its full capacity. Your brain gets stimulated and the nerve tension will be eased with fuller supply of oxygen. Do practice yogic deep breathing to live a healthy long life. That's all for now. See you soon in the next video in the new session. Until then, keep smiling and be happy. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. If you find this helpful, please do share with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Wish you all good health. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.